Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we will take a look at data bars, color scales, and icon sets. Here is our conditional formatting workbook to use and follow along with this video. In order to demonstrate the data bars, color scales, and icon sets, I'm going to use a sample worksheet that's included with a very small set of data. We'll understand how we can use these three conditional formatting and then come back and apply and see how it looks. Let me go to the sample worksheet. So here I have, it's the same data set in these 4 columns. What I'll do is I'll apply data bars to this particular set and see how it looks. Data bars, and here you have gradient fill, as you can see, and you have a solid fill, and that's a personal choice. I'll just use the blue gradient. So that's how it displays. It says pretty much, it says 85 is the highest value in the set, and visually you can tell this is the lowest. You can compare, this is close here. Let me apply color scales to the same or similar data set. You can, as soon as you hover your mouse over, you can see that the schema gets applied to your cells. So depending on your choice, how you want to visually represent your data, you can pick the one that goes with your choice or with the other colors within your workbook or worksheet. Let's see how we can apply the icon set. It's very simple. Again, go to conditional formatting and icon set. Here, as you can see, as you hover your mouse over these icon sets, you see the icon within the cell itself. So you have an idea on how it looks. Because this is a value, maybe you want something like this. You put a star there. So based on the value, the portion of the star that is yellow varies from one to other. Maybe if you prefer something like this, it's almost like a cell phone signal or your Wi-Fi signal, something like that. If you prefer that, then pick that. Again, which icon set to use and which coloring schema or which data bars or which one of these need to be applied. But again, all depends on your need and the type of data that you're working with. So now let's go back to employees. Let's take our salary and just apply the data bar. And you can tell this is pretty much visually, you can tell, hey, this is very low and this is also low as well, but most of them are kind of above maybe 55, 60 visually, a ballpark. You can do the same thing here. Let's say you want to apply coloring schema, so you get an idea. The lighter the cell, in this case, the lower the value, the darker it gets, the higher the value, within the range of data that we have within this set. And here in this case, let's say rating, you can apply the same, or maybe you want to do something different. I'll do icon set and maybe use this guy or this guy to indicate the rating. I can visually tell, hey, these guys are pretty good, they have good performance rating. But whereas these with just a circle with no gray in it is pretty much have the low rating. Well, that's it about data bars, color scales, and icon sets. I will see you in the next video and talk about how you can manage these rules. See you in the next video.